Sales has evolved, but channel sales haven't. Partner teams are still managing deals across PDFs, spreadsheets, WhatsApp threads, and legacy PRMs. And the moment reality deviates, data goes stale. Deal risk goes unnoticed. Enablement becomes generic, and revenue teams slowly lose trust in what they're seeing. That's the real cost of improper partner tooling. JazzHQ changes this. JazzHQ is an AI-native PRM and execution platform built specifically to work where partners already live. Instead of forcing partners into rigid portals, JazzHQ operates seamlessly across email, Slack, WhatsApp, CRM, and APIs. It automatically captures deal updates, keeps pipelines in sync, pays accurate commissions on time, and manages accounts receivable, end-to-end. And there's more. JazzHQ delivers a next-generation training experience through its AI sales coach, embedded directly within the deal context. We're taking sales readiness into the future. Run realistic mock sales calls, configure personas, adjust voice tones, handle real objections. This isn't just training, it's a flight simulator for sales. The result? Faster partner ramp, higher win rates, complete visibility from deal to cash, and most importantly, a system partners actually trust. If partners drive your revenue, it's time to modernize their experience and give them what they truly deserve. JazzHQ, modernizing partner-led organizations through AI.